Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to create a menu item for the category in Joomla 3.X. Log into your Joomla dashboard. Hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Categories from the drop-down menu to open Category Manager. We have two categories. One is Uncategorized and the other is Short Stories. Two articles are assigned to Short Stories category. If we go to the front end of the website, we won't be able to see these articles. For that, we have to create a menu item and link that menu item to the category of our choice. Then all the articles assigned to that category will be displayed on the front end of the website. So let's go back to our Joomla dashboard. Hover your mouse on the menu tab. Select main menu from the drop-down menu. Click on the new button. Enter a title for the menu item. Now under the Details tab, click on the Select button next to the menu item. Click on Articles. Select Category Block from the drop-down list. Now click the Select button next to Choose a Category. Then select your preferred category. Click on Save and Close. Menu item is saved. Now go to the front end of the website and hit refresh. You can see a new menu item under Main menu. Click on it. As you can see, all the articles assigned to this category is displayed on this page now. This is how you can create a menu item for the category in Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.